What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Mikey Fix speaking, and we're back again with another video. This is our weekly analysis. Thank you guys for tuning in. Hope you guys are doing great. Hope you guys had a wonderful weekend. Hope you guys had a great week last week. Hope you guys had a profitable week last week. And yeah, man, I hope you guys are doing great, man. We're back again, man. We're back again. Thank you guys for tuning in. Please make sure that you like the video. Make sure that you subscribe. Make sure that you leave a comment. And follow me on Instagram. Just go to to the description of this video, and you'll find my Instagram. It will be somewhere in the description. Make sure that you click, and you make sure that you follow me on Instagram, so that you get updates whenever I post a video, and so that you guys can see all that good stuff, right? So hope you guys are doing great. So let's just get straight into it. I don't want to make this video longer than it should be, right? So we're going to be analyzing NASDAQ for this week, and let's see what has been happening, right? So on NASDAQ, we had this amazing push from here. As you can see, this trend line was broken somewhere here. I don't know if you really call it a breakout, but it has been invalidated. But if you take it from here, from this low, just to update our price action there, just take it from this low, you'll clearly see that we have this nice ascending structure. Let me just copy and paste this line. You'll see that we have this amazing structure that has been forming here, right? High highs and high lows in this amazing structure. High highs, high lows, high highs, high lows, high highs, and now high lows, right? So we saw a nice rejection. 1, 2, 3 touch, right? That touch there, and we are starting to see price break highs, right? So we're gonna talk about that when we drop down to the 4-hour. You guys will see clearly that we are starting to break these highs. Firstly, it was these highs that we broke, this huge impulsive move. We created a higher high, right? And price failed to break this low, created a higher low, right? And we saw price violating this high, right? Really confirming to us that right now we are in a bullish market. We are in a bullish trend on NASDAQ here. So, and I really remember that I told you guys about this line here, our level of resistance here. I told you guys that as long as we're still below this area, I'm looking for shorts, right? Possible price rejecting there, but as you can see, price really broke this area and gave us a nice continuation pattern there and continue to shoot up, right? So what does that mean? It means we are more bullish in this area, hoping price to go all the way to those highs, all the way to these highs, right? Let me just all the way to these highs first, right? And price possibly coming all the way to test these levels of resistance up there, right? If price does eventually break those highs, we'll be looking for price to come up and test these levels of resistance, right? So right now, really, I'm very much bullish on NASDAQ, right? I'm very bullish on NASDAQ. As you can see, price is breaking highs in a very clear fashion, right? Let me just show you guys something of value here, something interesting. If you look at this 4-hour, you can see that we have a beautiful area that we are headed to right here, right? So we definitely know that price has to reach this level here. So this can be a trade for like today. We can really expect price to come and tap these areas, and then we'll have to see what price does in these areas. Whether we're seeing a rejection or a continuation to the upside, right? But for now, I'm still looking for bullish opportunities. We may see price come up. Let me just use this one. We may see price come up to these areas and then start to see some rejection, maybe for a retest, and then possibly for a continuation all the way to the upside. Or we can see price really break this area, retest, all the way to the upside, right? That's really simple. That's really simple that we're looking for on NASDAQ. We are very bullish, and we'll be looking for buys. We'll be looking to capitalize on that strong momentum to the upside. As you can see, price is carrying a lot of momentum to the upside now. Break and retest, a lot of momentum to the upside, right? So, and that's just it that I'm looking at on NASDAQ. I don't want to make this video longer than it should be. It's very simple. We're looking for those nice pushes to the upside. Then we'll have to see what price does here, whether it has some rejections. If we do get those amazing reversal patterns, then we could possibly jump in on some sells, right? But I wouldn't be too keen on selling NASDAQ. I wouldn't be too keen on selling NASDAQ just because you can see that we are pushing very impulsively to the upside. Let me see if you can push it. You can push it there. You can push it. You can just push it to expect price to drop to these areas. Yeah, but that's just it. I'm not too keen on selling, but yeah, we have also that possibility of price dropping, so you really have to expect that. We just have to see what price does when it gets to these areas, right? When price gets to these areas, it's very important to know that we don't just sell at resistance here. We wait to see what price does there and how it gets there, right? So that is just it that I'm looking at. Hope you guys received as much value and as much benefit from this video. If you did, make sure that you click that like button, subscribe, leave a comment, and we'll see each other in the next one.